Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to my Marketplace Miracles review. My name is Don Ziller from Online Mastery. Hope you're having an amazing evening or day. Depends when you're watching this. But I'm here in the members area of Marketplace Miracles. And this is kind of going to come at you with a bit of a twist, curveball as they say. This, and you're going to wonder why I'm promoting this, but hear me out. So Marketplace Miracles is all about using Facebook Marketplace to find used cars and flip them. Now, before you end this video, hear me out. So I can relate to this product because I've done flipping before, and it can be lucrative. You can make some quick cash, and if you're really good at it, you can make some pretty good money and eventually work yourself into being a used car, set up your own used car dealership. But I know you're probably not interested in that. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing and buying some serious courses, I'll talk about that later. This could be really, really good for some quick cash, and there's a lot of really good tips, and these guys are good at what they do. So if that sounds like something of interest, click the link in the description. That's going to take you over to my bonus page, and if you click on any of these kind of orangey buttons, that's going to take you over to the sales page. And if you scroll down and click here, you can purchase Marketplace Miracles. And that's going to take you into Warrior Plus. And when you get into Warrior Plus, you simply find Marketplace Miracles and scroll down in your purchase till you find the blue button. Click on the blue button, and that's going to get you all the bonuses. Now, the bonuses are really going to be of great value to you, and I put in my own special bonus here that's going to be helpful with this product, guaranteed. However, these bonuses are only good for 2 days, and when this timer hits 0, boom, my bonuses disappear. I don't want that to happen to you, because without these bonuses, this product will still work, but won't be as good as it could be. So before we go look at the bonuses, I want to tell you about a free video course. If you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to the 6-part video course that's going to teach you how to make your first commission. If you've already made your first commission and you're struggling, or you haven't, this course is going to be really good. It's like I say, 6 parts, step by step. Click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to that. Anyway, let's go have a look at the bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're going to get access to Eclipse. Now, Eclipse is going to teach you how to use YouTube ads. So if you want to take this whole car flipping thing to another level, or you want to use some of the same tactics to flip other things, you can use this training, paid training, to ramp it up and make money quicker. Bonus number 2, it's going to show you how to find hot products to sell. And so you once you flip some cars and you're confident, or you know an area that you know more about than cars, this is going to help you to find some of those products that you can flip and make money for. Bonus number 3 is how to grow your Facebook following fast. So if you have a lot of people that know that you're flipping cars or selling things, and you need a Facebook group so you can show them some of your offers, this is going to be the training that will help you to grow your list fast. Bonus number 4, you're going to get access to insurgency and high ticket case studies. Now this is getting back to affiliate marketing, but this training, this particular OTO is all about Facebook ads, and there's some really clever training in here that's going to help you reduce the cost of your clicks. And the more clicks you get, the more chances you get of converting, selling, and making money. So there's some really clever stuff in here. This is good training, and it will help you save a lot of money and time and frustration. And bonus number 5 is a very special bonus that I'm going to give to anybody that buys any of the OTOs. You simply just Facebook Messenger me, Don Siller, and I will send you over this definitive guide to buying a used car. Now, in their training, they talk about what to look for when you buy a used car, but I feel it's lacking a little bit. So there's a lot of things that I do systematically each time before I buy a car. And if you hit some of these red flags, then you don't buy the car. It saves you money and time. And there's a lot of stuff in here that's going to help you avoid pitfalls. But you have to buy one of the OTOs and send me a message on Facebook, and you'll get this one. And bonus number 6, you're going to get access to all the vendors' bonuses. So let's go over to the members area. Well, let's have a look at the sales page first. Want to make money on Facebook? Discover how we make 300 easy paydays using Facebook Marketplace, spending only 15 minutes per day. Well, I don't know about 15 minutes. I think you have to take more time than 15 minutes to go find the right cars and then to go look at them. So, but to make $300 is realistic for sure. And, it's newbie friendly, untapped market and opportunity. I'm not so sure about that. You don't need to create products, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, you can go have a look at this sales page in your own time. There's some stuff, good stuff on here. And let's go over to the members area. And there's 2 guys that do this course. Gabriel, who's the marketer, and he's done quite a bit of selling on Facebook for technology products. And the other guy, Chris, I believe is his name. He's the mechanic, and he's not a marketer, and he talks a little slow, but he knows what he's talking about. He's a certified mechanic, and he knows all the ins and outs of Facebook Marketplace and cars. So he's a good thing to teach you. So there's actually 22 modules, so this is very in-depth. They're just going to tell you about the method here, investment that you may need, and researching the product, inspecting it, knowing the value. Now there's a lot of stuff in here. That's very good. It's very detailed. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. Red flags, what to look for, how to talk to buyers, how to talk to sellers, how to negotiate, how to handle payments. And this one's very important about titles. Now, there's one thing that they say in here. You have to be careful. Titles in the United States, in Canada's registration. I live in Canada, and wherever you live, there's a way of registering cars. And they talk about if you get the seller to sign on your title and you leave it open, you can sell. Like in Canada, you're only allowed, where the province that I live in, you're only allowed to sell 6 cars per year. So if you want to flip a bunch of cars, you're going to have to find a way around it. Now, there are, illegal tactics, which I'm not going to talk about, that allow you. But anyway, one of the things that you shouldn't do if you're a seller is to leave the registration, signature, or title blank, so that someone can just take the vehicle, and then when they go to sell it to someone else, that their name doesn't appear anywhere. They don't pay any taxes on the vehicle, and it's not considered a one of the 6 or how many they sell in that territory. So I recommend don't doing that. Yeah. Anyway, it's very detailed and it's legitimate. I've done it. You can make quick money. Now, if you're not really interested in flipping cars, but you have no money for courses, like for instance, I highly recommend this course that I'm in by Jono Armstrong called Ministry of Freedom. Now it's $2,000 course, and it's worth every penny. And it will show you how to start making money using a very, very simple methods, and able to scale that up and make a lot of money. So, and there's a ton of support in this course. And there are people that are launching. There's a lot of people actually now, like maybe 10 or more people that are launching products. So they're already in the next step and they're making income weekly, daily, 50, 100, 200 a day. So, and Jono is providing a ton of support with webinars, and he's very accessible. So it's an excellent course. So you could use this flipping course to make some quick money and buy that course, and then you're on your way. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for Ministry of Freedom if you want to go check it out. There's a webinar, so you can get way more information than I'm telling you right here. So let's go have a look at the upsales. So the front end is going to cost $9.95, and it's pretty good. It's a little thin on some details, so I highly recommend upsale number 1. They're going to tell you some more secrets, underground markets and techniques that they use, and this is going to fill in the gaps, and this. You'll be able to, if you enjoy flipping cars, this is going to take you to another level where you can start flipping higher price cars, the $20,000, $30,000 cars, where you start to make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on each sale. So that's worth it. $97 is for upsale number 2. You'll discover forsaken method nobody knows about, really multiply profits. This is a loophole for the top 1% of Facebook. Now, yeah, these guys are pretty clever, so if you do have $97, I think this one might be worth it for sure. And upsale number 3 is a mentorship. It's $97 a month. You're going to get 4 one-hour sessions a month with Gabriel and Chris, and you get access to a private Facebook group. Now, like, if you're into this and you're making money, it could be worth it, as you're going to get some tips from other people as well. And car community is always full of entrepreneurial and clever people, so might be worth it. Reseller rights for $197. It's a little bit steep for me. And if you actually want to launch a product with them, now Gabriel's a marketer, so, and he's launched quite a few products. So if you like him, it might be worth it. Anyway, I've gone on way too long. that is my review of Marketplace Miracles. I think it's a legitimate course, and you can make quick money. And even if you don't really like flipping cars, you can do this a couple times and make enough money to buy some high ticket courses to really get you on your way. So if that's of something that you might be interested in picking up, remember to click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to my bonus page where you can get some more information. And until I talk to you later, stay awesome.